How to excel with diabetes in 2024. For this video, I go to discuss 7 things them where you fit do am in order for you for excel in your health and well-being as a diabetic in 2024. So stay tuned. For those of una who na see my face for the very first time, my name na Mirabi Kono. I'm a registered nurse and a diabetes educator. And my channel it be focused on everything where it concern diabetes, how for manage blood sugar levels, and also I dey talk about nursing. So if na the kind of content this way you enjoy for watch am, why not stick around? The first thing for do for excel with diabetes for 2024 na for you for set clear goals. The key for a successful year na for set clear and realistic goals. You fit start by establishing a specific target for your blood sugar level, exercise routine, and also your nutrition. The thing where you go do na say you go broke down these goals them into small and achievable steps them. When you broke them into small and achievable steps them, it go help for make the process make it be easy for you and also manageable. If you be say you don't watch my videos, you go realize and say I always like for use this particular example about exercise routine. As a diabetic, it be advisable for you for exercise at least 150 minutes per week. So instead for you for take 1 day or for you for take 2 days for achieve this 150 minutes of exercise, it be advisable and more easier for you for split this 150 minutes into 5 days. Where it means say for 1 day you go to just use now 30 minutes for exercise. When you split some for 30 minutes per day, yourself you go realize and say it be very easy and even manageable and encouraging for you for keep doing this exercise rather than taking 150 minutes per day. So try for split your goals into small and manageable steps there. Then it go help you for excel as a diabetic for 2024. Next up, now to create a balanced meal plan. Design a balanced meal plan where it contain a variety of rich nutrient foods them. Make sure say you choose a variety of carbohydrates, protein, and also healthy fats. Avoid for the chop one and the same chop every day. As a diabetic, it be very important for you for no say no be every chop be good for you. You get for be wise and smart also for the kind of chop where you put am for your mouth. If there is one thing where you get for do am for yourself this 2024 in order for you for excel in your health and well-being as a diabetic, now for you for consult a registered dietitian. This dietitian it go help for give you a personalized meal plan where it go consist on the specific problem where you get them. Another thing for you for do for 2024 in order for excel in your health and well-being, now for create a regular exercise routine. For maintain an active lifestyle, it be very important and very crucial for a diabetic. So for this 2024, try for involve exercise into your daily routine. This exercise, if it just be like for waka 30 minutes a day, or for you for ride bicycle, for those then where they know how to ride bicycle, it also fine. If you don't like for waka or if you don't like for ride bicycle, then look for that activity where you enjoy for do and you involve yourself in it. But make sure say each day may you get an exercise at least 30 minutes. This exercise it help for regulate your blood sugar level. Remember, when you exercise, your muscles them that use sugar for energy, so your blood sugar levels they go tend for be lower. If you no really like know how to exercise, or you want exercise but you don't know the kind of exercise will be good for you, it's fine for talk with your medical health providers. They go give you advice on the kind of exercises the way you fit do them, and also they go try for put you into a good fitness program. I don't make a video for this channel where I talk about the exercises then where they're good for a diabetic. So if you go into my videos to search this video for see the kind exercise then way they're really good for you. Number 4 point for you for succeed as a diabetic for 2024 now for you for stay informed. Yes, stay informed. For stay informed or for be up to date with the latest diabetes information concerning how you fit manage your diabetes. Now one thing where you get for doing for this 2024 in order for you for excel or for you for succeed with your diabetes. Get yourself informed about the new technology the way the day outside on how to manage diabetes. Search information. Ask them from your medical health practitioners and ask them which recent technology don't come out where you feel use them for manage your diabetes. For instance, now our day will get blood sugar meters and way they get app where you feel install this app then for your phone, and then it go help for track your blood sugar levels. Find out about this blood sugar meter then for see how way you feel get the app for your mobile phone. When you get them, it go facilitate or it go help you for the track your blood sugar levels at every moment. You also get like ways then where you feel measure your blood sugar levels without the finger prick. All these things in a new technology, but if you are not informed, then you did lack out on this knowledge then. So if fine when you want manage your diabetes, make sure so you be informed for the latest technology then where they happen for manage your diabetes. Educate yourself because knowledge is power. Make it a habit this 2024. So you go around, you search information on how you feel better your diabetes management. Point number 5. Now wait see. Regular checkups. Most often diabetes patients them they hardly go in for their checkups. But if it be say you don't neglect this point, it go fine for you for make it as a habit for this 2024. So you make appointment with your healthcare providers so that you feel get a regular checkup with them. These medical checkups it go help your healthcare providers for the monitor your blood sugar levels and also for them for the make adjustments for your medication whenever it be necessary. Checkups now one thing way as a diabetic you know supposed for the neglect them. Even during this consultation moments now a very nice and comfortable moments that also where you feel use and you feel season like an opportunity for talk with your doctor, for talk even with the nurse the way they take care for you, for tell them about the challenges them where you face them for manage your diabetes. So make it a habit this 2024 so you constantly get checkups with your healthcare providers. Take them very serious. One thing also wey I go like for pass am out and say when you are a diabetic, you no get na only your doctor for take care of you. No. As a diabetic, you get a multidisciplinary team where it take care for your diabetes. For instance, you get your doctor, you get the nurse, you get a diabetes educator, you get a dietitian, you get a podologue. Podologue na people the way that be in charge for your foods, then for take care of your food then. All these people there you get for them make regular appointment then with them, even for check your eyes them, for check your heart, for check your livers. All these things you get for the consult them. So make it a habit for consult all this thing where it be involved for manage your diabetes. You not only get for center na around your doctor. No, look eye specialists. All these specialists them, you need them this 2024 in order for you for combat your diabetes. Another aspect where it be very important as a diabetic for succeed in 2024 now the aspect of your emotional well-being. If you be that person where you the easily stress up, this year try for bring your stress level under control. Diabetes no be only about your physical health, but also it involve your mental health. Your mental health it get for be stable in order for you for manage your diabetes properly. Stress it cause blood sugar levels them may they high. These high blood sugar levels, if they not put them under control, in the future it could lead to further complications like kidney problems, heart and vascular problems. So try for bring your stress levels under control this 2024. Practice stress exercises them like meditation, yoga. All these things then go help for bring down your stress level. Very important for your mental health also. Now for you for get enough sleep. Try for get enough sleep. It be very important as a diabetic for your mental health. If you dey overweight, then make it a priority this year for see and say you bring your weight under control. Diabetes complications like heart diseases and also nerves problem that they mostly be associated to overweight. But when you bring your weight under control, then you determine for prevent these diseases them may they not affect you. Weight management it involve a balanced diet and also a regular exercise, where all these 2 points them I don't already discuss, and so it's fine for you for really like incorporate your meals and exercise into your lifestyle this 2024. Take your diet plan and your regular routine for exercise this 2024 very serious. They go be a challenge, but you go discover and say at the long run these challenges or these steps then they go be very profitable for you when it comes to managing your blood sugar levels or your diabetes. Make 2024 your best year for manage your diabetes. Set clear goals then. Focus on a balanced diet, regular activity, consult with your doctors more regularly, and also try for put your weight under control. When you put all these things them, or when you practice all the 7 points the way I don't talk practice them, believing and get faith. Say this thing the way you did do it go work. Then you go see the result. Remember, you fit get faith. Say your diabetes it go be healed. But even the Bible it talks about faith without works is dead. So you fit get this faith. Say you go overcome your diabetes. But then if you not put these 7 steps the way I don't give for you into practice, then nothing no go change. So I advise you say put your faith into managing your diabetes this 2024 and also put some action in it. Then you will definitely see good results by the end of this 2024. If you found this video helpful, make sure say you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel if you not yet subscribe to our channel for more diabetes content. Wishing you all a happy new year and a healthy 2024. Remember, diabetes it need define you, but it only refine you. I'll see you on my next video.